In this video, we explore the monochrome setting on the Canon 90D. The preview screen, as soon as you put it onto the monochrome setting, turns in to a preview of a monochrome, of a black and white image. So it's no longer previewing as color. You no longer have to imagine what that color image would look like in black and white. You can preview it in black and white in monochrome, which is very handy for a lot of situations. And when you have it on the monochrome setting, the JPEG files are then processed in black and white. So the JPEGs are no longer in color. They've automatically been processed in camera as black and white images. This can be incredibly handy if you're after monochrome photographs. You're previewing on the back of the camera as black and white, as monochrome, and there you are immediately with your JPEGs as black and white. Whereas the RAW files retain the color data. It doesn't matter what setting you have it on, whether you have it on the monochrome setting or not, it retains its color data. But the great thing there is that you're previewing on the back of the camera as a black and white, and then you take the RAW files. If you want to work with the RAW files, then you do it in post-processing. But then if you choose to have some color images from the same photography session, there they are, which can be very, very handy as well. So if you're using RAW files, you think, well, what's the point of the monochrome setting? You preview on the back of the camera, the black and white, the monochrome. So to put it on monochrome, you come across, use the wheel to move it across. You've got 1, 2, 3, move it over to the third. You use the wheel to scroll up and down. You go to picture style, and in picture style, you'll find all sorts of things, including if you scroll down, you'll find the monochrome, which you can see being in the blue there. I've already selected it, but just to confirm it, I'll press in the set button, and so it's now on monochrome. And when you preview, there you are, voila. It's showing in monochrome, which is wonderful. You no longer need to convert to imagining color to monochrome. It's already there for you. I'm at the old Courthouse in Mount Gambier, South Australia, built in 1860. Anyone interested in the history of it? But I think the texture of this place and that will suit itself nicely for a black and white image. I'm very happy to be using the JPEG files in this case, so it's all very instant. What I commonly do with most of my photography sessions is that I have set for capturing the RAW file as well as the JPEGs at the best quality JPEGs as well. And so I've got the flexibility of both. So I've got immediate access to the monochrome JPEGs, as well as if I want to use A&E color images from the same session, it's there on the RAW file, but I also have the RAW file if I want to. The RAW file does retain more data. The vast majority for what I want to use the images for, the JPEGs, are more than adequate. That's it for today's video on using the monochrome setting with your Canon 90D. I hope this helps you with your monochrome photography. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips, and I will see you next time.